Good afternoon, student of class 10. Today I am starting a new chapter. Quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? If the equation have one variable and highest power is 2, like 2x square plus 5x plus 7. In this equation, you can check it out. Only one variable is there, that is x, and highest power is 2. So this type of equation is known as quadratic equation. You have to know first what is quadratic equation. There is a formula for solving the quadratic equation, and that formula is very important. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is BA? You have to know that. What is BA? Actually, we assume the quadratic equation is in the form of x square plus bx plus c. That means if there is a like first equation and 2x square plus 5x plus 7. Here a means 2, b means 5, c means 7. So by using that formula, we can get the value of x. Now here from the formula it is clear, two value will get. One is for plus, one is for minus. That's why we say for quadratic equation there is two root available. There is two root available. Whatever value we get of x, that is known as root. So from the formula it is clear that for every equation, every quadratic equation, there is two value we can get, and that is known as root. The basic idea should be clear, then it will be easy for solving the math. Now b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. This is known as discriminant. This is very important formula for knowing about the roots. Like if b square minus 4ac is 0, I can say the root is equal and real. Equal and real. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, I can say the roots are unequal and real. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then I can say roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. That are the basic things. So easily you can check it out, are that quadratic equation or not, but that is not important question. Okay, if there is a question like there is a equation is given x square minus 2x minus 15 is 0, it is said x equal to 5. Is this a solution of that equation? How we can check it? Put the value of x there. 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 15. What we got? So we got 0 in the LHS, and in the right hand side that is also 0. So I got, by putting the value of x equal to 5, I got LHS equal to RHS. That's why I can say x equal to 5 is one of the solution of that equation. So that's very easy way to get that. Okay, let's check out the first exercise. Look at the book. It is said in the first question, check it out, is this quadratic equation or not? That is not very important. You don't have to solve that. Here you can check it out. Number 5, as there is x cube, highest power I can say maybe 3, not more than that. So highest power already I got, that is 3, so that is not a quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. This is also quadratic equation, because if you apply the formula here, you will get the x square. In this way you can check it out. Number 2 I have already solved that. This math, you have to put the value of x equal to minus 3 here. By that you can check it out. Here you have to put the value x equal to root over 2 by 3, and then you have to find the value of m. I am solving that. Equation is given 3x square plus mx plus 2 is 0. It is said root over 2 by 3 is a solution. That means you have to put the value of x here equal to root over 2 by 3. So I can write 2 by 3 square plus m into root over 2 by 3 plus 2. As this is already said that root over 2 by 3 is a solution, it is not said to check it is it a solution. It is announced that it is a solution. That means here I can say if I have put the value of x equal to root over 2 by 3, I can say LHS equal to RHS. Now I have to find out the value of m. Root over 2 by 3 square, that means 2 by 3, plus m root over 2 by 3 plus 2 equal to 0. 3 cancel. Here is only 2 left, here 2, 4. So m root over 2 by 3 equal to plus 4 equal to 0. So m equal to minus 4 into root over 3 by 2. So minus, if 4 is in under the square, that will become 4 square, means 16 by 2. So I got minus root over 24 is the answer of m. I think there should have no question from the first exercise. Here you have to check 3 and minus 3 both are the solution of the equation. Find the value of a and b. If you put the value of, in place of x, if you put 3, you get one equation. If you put minus 3, you will get another equation. By solving these two equations, you can get the value of a and b. Okay, in the next exercise, that means exercise 5b, you have to check what type of root is there. Like a math is given in exercise 5b, 7x square minus 9x plus 2. You have to check it out. What type of root is that? I say for checking the root, you have to check b square minus 4ac. b means here minus 9, a means 7, c means 2. So b square minus 4ac equal to what? Minus 9 square minus 4ac. So 81 minus 56. 25. So that is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac here I got greater than 0. So I can say the roots are unequal and real. Roots are unequal and real. Very easy. Next math, it is said in this equation, it is said in this equation roots are equal. I know that roots are equal means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You have to understand that. It is said in maths that roots of this equation is equal. That means I can say b square minus 4ac is 0. You have to find out the value of p. Here a means 1, b means p minus 3 and c means also p. So b square minus 4ac equal to what? P minus 3 square minus 4ac equal to 0. So I got a minus b square means so I got p square minus 10p plus 9 equal to 0. Now middle term, by doing middle term factor you can find out the answer. So I got p minus 9 or p minus 1 equal to 0. So I can say p equal to either 9, p equal to or 1. So this is the answer of, or this is the value of p. All the whatever maths is there in exercise 5b are same types of math. Now 5c. You have to solve this math. That means you have to find out the value of the x, but you can't use the formula here. You have to use factorization method. Whatever math is given there, number 5 I am solving. What is given? 9 by 2x equal to 5 plus x square. You have to solve this factorization. So I can say 9x equal to 2 into 5 plus x square. So I got x square plus 10 minus 9x equal to 0. Or I can say minus 9x plus 10 equal to 0. Factorize 10 minus 1. So I got x square minus 10x plus x plus 10 equal to 0. Sorry, there is a mistake. That is 2x square. There will be 2x square. So you have to break the number 20 to make 9. That means 5 4 jar 20. So I get so I got 2x minus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So I can say 2x equal to 5 or x equal to 5 by 2 or x equal to 4. By this way you have to find the solution. In the next exercise you can use the formula. There is many maths, many difficult maths also there. You have to solve or factorize or by multiplying, like I am solving math number 19. Math number 19. 5 by x minus 2 plus minus 3 by x plus 6 equal to 4 by x. Now you have to solve that math. LCM is x plus 6, x minus 2. So I got 5 into x plus 6 minus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 4 by x. Or I got 5x plus 30 minus 3x plus 6 by x plus 6 into x minus 2 equal to 4 by x. Or I got 2x plus 36 by x square minus 2x plus 6x minus 12 4 by x. Or I got 2x square plus 36x equal to 4x square plus 16x minus 48. Or I got 4x square minus 2x square plus 16x minus 36x minus 48 equal to 0. Okay, enough for today. After that you can solve it, you try it.